Hello pals, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing a part 2 on the Parrot Pals 2021 vacation house. We are going upstairs. We're walking up. Look at the view, it's so beautiful. We have a little view out here where we could fish. We have this little cabana area with this. It's not a cabana, I'm sorry. I keep calling everything cabana. Here we have chairs where we could look out. It's really, really pretty here. And look at how cool these chairs are. You could spin, like you could twist them from the top. Like I've never seen a chair like that before. It's really cool. Look at that. Beautiful view. So now we walk inside. And the first thing we see is the living room. The living room is so big. There's my brother. Here is the kitchen. It's a bit messy because we are still unpacking. Let me get a fruit pop. This is my favorite place right here in the kind of kitchen area, I guess. Look at that big kayak. All right, I'm going to do a part 3 of the bedrooms, so I'll see you there. Bye, pals!